Life PS Life Probiotic Skincare 3-step system. Recharge, recover, and protect your skin. This kit helps unlock healthy skin naturally. The first step is Recharge Revitalizing Cleanser. Use once a day, preferably evening, and massage your face, neck, and décolleté for 90 seconds with 2 to 4 pumps. After you are done massaging, rinse with water. Second step is Recover Life Probiotic Serum. Use once a day, preferably evening after cleansing, and apply the serum to your face, neck, and décolleté with 2 to 4 pumps. After applying serum, you're gonna start feeling the difference and you're ready for bed. The third step is Protect Daily Defense Moisturizer. I usually use the moisturizer in the morning, but you can use throughout the day to keep hydrated the skin, or you can mix with makeup or add over the makeup. Life PS products are a must-have in your daily routine.